Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Beardy's Tools magnetic base to the Milwaukee M18 high output CP3.0. So first things first, we need to remove the factory screws. They are tamper-proof Torx 10. I'm using this Vessel electric screwdriver. That's because it's a screwdriver rated for 8.85 inch-pounds. So don't be using a big heavy-duty impact or even a drill unless you got the clutch turned way down. If you don't have an electric screwdriver, just use a normal ratcheting screwdriver so that you're not putting too much torque and pressure, because we don't want to strip the meat out from the inside. So we got those off. Next, we're going to make sure that we're lined up correctly. So I put my part numbers up at the front, unless it says front. The other way you can tell is you got this big nice slant back here that matches up with the back of it. So line it up. Light pressure slides right on, fits like a glove. You can see I've got all of the vents designed in there. We don't want to cause your battery to overheat and ruin it. Now, if you have a warranty claim, you are going to want to do the following. So I'm going to put my replacement screws down here on my work surface. I'm going to take the factory screws. I'm going to put them in this baggie. And then I would write the battery on here, M18 HO 3, because if you have a warranty need, you're going to need to put those screws back. You're going to need to take the base off. So real quick, I'll show you how to take the base off. Either pinch and hold the magnetic base or the battery. The opposite one, you're going to walk. So I like to grab back here on the battery and just walk it side to side, and then it comes out. And the reason you want to walk it side to side is these posts are in here. Now, if you happen to break them off, it's okay. Everything's still going to work normally. It's an overkill design, so the battery actually rests on them. But side to side, they come off. It'll still fit in. It'll still go together. It'll still work perfectly fine. So now we want to put our screws in to hold this together, and then we'll be done and ready to use that magnetic base. So grabbing here again another Vessel rechargeable screwdriver. Now the replacement screws are a Torx 8 on this one. So I'm going to hold this lightly so that as it gets to the end of its run, it's going to spin and remove itself from my grip on the power switch. Now once I've got them all in, because it's only 8.85 inch-pounds, we don't want a ton of pressure here. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to get this to lock in. There we go. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure and see if it moves. If it moves at all, don't go more than a quarter turn, but you really don't want it too tight. Just snug. So there we go. That's how you install the magnetic base to the M18 high output CP 3.0.